Hey guys, it's Tim at JK Boots. I want to talk about oiling your boots today. So our boots are amazing, but if you don't take care of them, they will deteriorate a lot faster and they'll break down before they're supposed to. So just want to give you some helpful tips. People ask us all the time, so here you go. So the first thing, the number one thing, do not oil your hardware. There's a line of stitching here. You want to stay with all your oiling and greasing on the other side of that line of stitching. What I've seen so many times is people oil their hardware, it'll seep into there, it'll start to rot it out, and then you'll lace your boots up one day and boom, the eyelets and hooks will pop out. So do not do that. The other thing is I see people oiling like this area here, like the sole stack some people call it, or like in the leather heel base. You do not want to do that just because the oil will seep into these layers and actually separate it, and it's not meant for oil at all. So you also don't want to oil in here in this little cracks and crevices. That's bad too. The only places that you need to oil are the sides, up the back, and on the other side, and the top of the toe. That's it. People ask how often. So a good balance, I always like to say, is like once every 4 to 5 weeks. You don't want to overdo it, because then if you overdo it, the leather will start to like rot from oversaturation with oil. But if you underdo it, the leather can get dry and then it'll start to crack. So find a good balance. You know, once every 4 weeks is kind of good. Just a nice solid leather oil coat over it will be fine. In terms of grease versus oil, people ask us that all the time. I recommend oil over the grease because I feel like the oil does a better job of saturating the leather, because the leather's thirsty, so it needs to kind of be quenched. The grease kind of sits over the top and is kind of thick and stuff, so I don't really like it as much. I like the oil way more. Another thing people ask all the time is, if the boots are dirty, should I clean them? Yes. So what you can do is get a damp rag or a bristle brush, especially if it's rough out. You can just brush all this dust and mud off, you know, get a damp rag, kind of clean them up a little bit, and then oil them. Do not soak your boots in water. You know, you can hose them down lightly, but just try not to soak the leather, because that's just not good for the boots at all. If you guys ever have any questions, you guys can DM us, email us. If you got my number, you can text me. We love answering your questions. Thank you so much for being loyal JK customers. We appreciate you guys. Thanks a bunch.